Once upon a time, in the golden era of Islamic civilization, there lived a polymath whose influence would span centuries. His name was Abu Ali al-Husayn ibn Sina, widely known as Avicenna to the Western world. Born in the year 980 in Bokhara, a city in present-day Uzbekistan, Ibn Sina would go on to become one of history's greatest thinkers and inventors. From an early age, it was evident that Ibn Sina possessed a remarkable intellect. With a thirst for knowledge, he delved deep into various subjects, absorbing everything from mathematics and astronomy to philosophy and medicine. His insatiable curiosity set Ibn Sina on a lifelong journey of discovery, wherein he made groundbreaking contributions to multiple fields. Ibn Sina's most notable achievement was in the realm of medicine. His prodigious work, The Canon of Medicine, became a milestone in the field and a standard text for medical education for centuries to come. In this comprehensive book, he synthesized the medical knowledge of both East and West, combining his own observations with those of past scholars. Among his numerous ingenious inventions in the medical field was the creation of the concept of quarantine. Ibn Sina recognized the contagious nature of certain diseases and advocated for the isolation of patients to prevent the spread of infection. This notion revolutionized public health practices and saved countless lives throughout history. But his contributions did not stop there. Ibn Sina's brilliance extended to the worlds of mathematics and astronomy. He furthered the understanding of algebra, introducing the concept of the unknown into mathematical equations. This groundbreaking contribution paved the way for the development of modern algebraic concepts and algorithms. In astronomy, Ibn Sina devised a method to measure the volume of a sphere, a feat that eluded mathematicians of his time. The method he introduced involved a combination of geometry and calculus, showcasing his ability to think outside the box and push the boundaries of known knowledge. Throughout his eventful life, Ibn Sina also made remarkable strides in optics, psychology, and philosophy. He explored the nature of knowledge and developed theories on the existence of God. His philosophical treatise, The Book of Healing, dissected these profound questions, leaving an indelible mark on the world of philosophy and religious studies. Beyond his intellectual accomplishments, Ibn Sina was a statesman and advisor, serving several rulers during his lifetime. His influence and reputation spread far and wide, leading to his appointment as the royal physician in various courts. Such positions allowed him to promote his ideas and ensure their implementation in society. Sadly, Ibn Sina's remarkable journey came to an end on June 21, 1037. His passing left a void that would never be filled. However, his legacy continued to live on, inspiring countless scholars and inventors for centuries to come. The life and inventions of Ibn Sina were a testament to the power of human intellect and the boundless potential of the human mind. His insatiable thirst for knowledge and his determination to challenge existing theories and beliefs opened up new horizons in various fields. Ibn Sina's contributions epitomized the golden age of Islamic civilization, where scholars, regardless of their background or religion, pursued knowledge for the betterment of humanity. Today, his name is revered across the globe, and his ideas continue to shape the world we live in. The story of Ibn Sina serves as a timeless reminder that true greatness lies not only in the inventions and discoveries, but also in the dedication to improving the human condition. He was a luminary whose brilliance illuminated the path for future generations, leaving an enduring legacy that will forever be etched in the annals of history.